Hey there, Shank, everybody. Hope you guys are doing good. Today, we're going to be talking about one of the most hyped topics in today's time, AI, and what's going on with AI and ChatGPT and how I can make money from it. How can I make that Mashallah money from ChatGPT? Without any further ado, let's get this video started. So I'm going to try to keep this video a little bit different than multiple other YouTube videos about how you can make money from ChatGPT, what type of businesses you can start, and blah, 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 blah. Rather, what I'm going to say is that see how ChatGPT and AI can automate your current business or help you establish a new business where ChatGPT is not the cusp of the business, rather it's an asset towards the business. A lot of people are trying to automate something or make their entire business model from AI, which right now AI is not there yet. And once it's there, you think you're not gonna have any competition. Where I would say find out smart solutions which can help you create a business where AI is pretty much your major labor force. I'll give you one idea right now that just came to my head. You can start your own poetry business where you write custom poetry for people. For example, you ask them, you make this to write the prompt, you have to ask these major 20 questions, right? These 20 questions about who is this poetry for? What do they mean to you? All these questions. What's the important things to them? What's their favorite food, color, blah, 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 blah. You make 50 questions. Out of the 50 questions, you take the most impactful questions and you put that into the prompt, and you tell the prompt to make you a poetry in whichever language you guys are functioning in. If it's in India, you say Hindi. If it's in Urdu, you say, Urdu. You can go even one step further and you can give it work from some great poets from there and then ask it to write the poetry in that same format. For example, if you're from a Persian area or you're from Turkey or Iran or Iraq, you can talk about Rumi, where you can give the works of Rumi to the GPT-4 and give it the 20 answers and ask it to write you a poetry. And then you can sell that poetry forward for $10, $20, $30. Not only that, you can ask another AI solution to take that poetry and make a song out of it, where an AI voice sings that song, or B, you can sing that song, put it into AI, or you can say that poetry and put it into AI where it makes your voice deeper, and then you can give it to your loved one. Now, not necessarily am I asking you to do something haram, not saying send it to your girlfriend. If you think this is for your girlfriend, do not do that. Send it to your wife, your mother, even your father. Sometimes show affection towards your other loved ones. Anywho, and you can provide that as a service to others. And how do you sell this service? You can make up an AI-based website. Then from that website, put up these, how 200 word, 300 word, 400 word poetry, and then you can say the charges on it, and then you can start going on TikTok and promoting it. Custom made poetry. Then nobody needs to know it's by AI. And then once it's done, you give it to them, you charge them 10, 20, 30, $40, and then you ask them to make a reaction video, and you put those reaction video on your social media and you keep promoting, and that's it. You got yourself a business. Now, this is just one idea. What you can do is honestly sit back in your house, think about something that you are good at, which you can say, I know about this a lot and not many people know about this. And then you can start developing a business plan from it. And guess what? You can get GPT-4 to look at that business plan.
Oh my.
And tell you if it's a good business plan or not. Right. So it just establishes you can do these type of things where it's not necessarily directly GPT-4 being the business, but seeing how GPT-4 can be an asset towards your business. Okay. Now, if you already have a business, trust me, you can reduce your 20 to 30% of your labor force cost by enabling AI solutions within it. I have been able to do this. And if you guys want, and if you want to learn more about this, you can reach out to me, and inshallah, maybe I could be some solution for you guys in your organization. So, Kat, there is a lot of ways you can make money from AI, but think about ways that other people are not thinking. Do not think that a YouTube video which has 100,000 views is not already being worked on. There's already probably 50 to 60 people developing that same thing while you're thinking, while that video is being watched. So I just give you guys one example. Think about multiple other examples. You can think about how you can start a interior design consulting or interior design. Let's say you graduated with interior design, degree. You have all these softwares that you use. You can also use an AI software which can help you do that. All you gotta do is take a picture of an area, put it in there, shoot out 10 different interior design solutions for you, and you can give it to the guy and be like, look, this is what I think you guys should do from your house. These are 3 best options. You look at the 10 options yourself, right? You're good at interior design. You have a degree in interior designing. So you choose the best 3 out of the 10. You give it to them, and then you ask them, which one do you guys want? And we can make that happen for you. Obviously, you price this in, you schedule this in, you put the other costs in there, and you tell them this is the cost for my consulting. They don't need to know that you necessarily didn't sit behind a software and spend the last 6 hours designing something on a software. No, you just AI, boom, 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 done, right? So like this, think about multiple levels of solutions that you guys can do, and then do not hold back. This is the time you must do. The biggest issue is we think, we don't act, and that's the issue. Look, if you act and you fail in one, you'll have all those skill sets to make sure that you succeed in the next. And this is the time you want to do it before it becomes a norm, and then you're like, oh, everybody's doing it, and I can't really take advantage of it. This is the time even really big business people are not still understanding AI properly because they don't have the time. You do. Sit, learn, play, and you'll be able to establish something. One of the best quotes I heard was, unfortunately, there's billions of dollars in the ground because the $1 billion ideas have died with the people. So if you have a $1 billion idea, don't let it go to waste. Make it happen. Hope you guys like this video. Let me know about your opinions about this in the comments below. And as always, take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum.